welcome to another edition of Virtual Storefronts Hidden Features. Sign in. And here's my shopper account. And you see, I already set up the Murphy and Andrews distance that I liked. And then I have my feed, which I have my feed there. So this is, I'm an advanced shopper now, but I want to show you something. How do you set this up so you do not have to log in ever again? But in this case, I want to create an icon on my home screen that allows me to log in directly to Virtual Storefront, and it does the login automatically because it stores or keeps the login, so that way you don't have to keep logging in constantly. So to make it easy as a shopper, you want to go ahead and do that, and this works for a lot of other, you can use this to create other icons for websites that are web apps, like Virtual Storefront is a web app. So you see the bottom, the box with an arrow pointing up at the bottom middle, all the way down. Well, when you click on that, what happens is you have some options now. It's basically a share, but this share is a little bit different, and it's got right here, it says add to home screen right here. So I go ahead and click on that, and now I can change the title. So in this case, I'm going to leave it as shopper, but I want to take out this other part here because the VS I already know is Virtual Storefront, but I want to use in the shopper, and then what I want to do is call it the email address that I'm using, just for my own knowledge, and that's the shopper. And then you say, okay, where to go? Well, if you go all the way back, and there it is. Now I'm going to test it, so I click on it, and we'll see what happens. It brought me to the login. You say, hey, it's not logged in. Well, of course, I need to log in first. So, and voila. Now, to test it, right? Close it out, go back here, click on it, and see what happens. Boom, see that? I close it out again, and I just click on this icon, and it's been stored, and it takes me into my shopper's account.
Thank you for following Virtual Storefronts. Make it a great day.